Hey Smart Home family, it's Charles here with Smart Home DFW. I'm downtown Fort Worth at the Funky PicNic Brewery on a commercial location. And we're doing a small job this morning. We've got Unify G4 cameras, really nice little cameras, putting in to add security. We're putting in the Unify wireless access point for wireless communication, and we're putting in a network switch. We're tying all of this Unify product in to their existing system, giving this business owner a way to 24/7 monitor what's going on in their business and a way to give high-powered Wi-Fi access to the POS system, employees, and customers. So doing these small commercial jobs like this is really something we've become specialized in, how to help business owners get the most value out of their network, how to help them with their security, how to tie it all together in a nice neat rack back in the closet so that it's all manageable. So this is a very cool spot. They got a wood fire pizza oven in the background. It's going to be a very cool hangout spot. So we're very excited about helping this business out, getting them a really solid network, getting them some solid security cameras. So it's very cool. So if you're a small business owner and you need some help with your network, your Wi-Fi is really crappy, you're getting drops, you're getting dead zones, if you're worried about your security system, we could definitely hook you up and help you out with that. So with that, we're gonna get to work installing all this gear. Thank you for checking us out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay connected to everything you love. Peace.